Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanna share what I ate in Malaysia. Do you know Nasi Kandar? Nasi Kandar is really famous food in Malaysia. Let's start, check it out! Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Where can I order? Oh, order. Okay, thank you.
Hello, hi.
Hello. What is best menu?
Sorry?
What is best menu?
Special menu.
Yeah, special menu.
Normally rice and the chicken, no? The second chicken
Oh?
What do you want? White rice and ghee rice. Drumstick.
Oh, what food you have? What food? Oh, I'm first time. Oh, first time. So I don't know what food you have. Nasi Kandar.
For you.
Nasi Kandar?
Yeah, Nasi Kandar. You want white rice or yellow rice?
Original one,
Yeah,
original one.
original this one, yellow. This
Yeah.
one, big one. You want Nasi Kandar mixed sauce? You want spicy or sweet?
I don't like spicy.
You want
I don't like spicy.
Then what do you want?
chicken.
You want fried chicken?
Chicken.
Chicken special one. This one, this one. Then you want lady finger, chili, boiled egg, salt egg, fried egg.
Original one.
Original one. Then you want squid.
What is that?
Squid.
No.
Then
Then
sayur also.
curry.
Yeah.
Don.
Yeah,
Wow,
good
so
one.
big.
Oh, big.
So big, right? Oh, this is mine?
Yes.
Wow.
Hello. Hi.
Hello. Like that? How much?
12 ringgit 50 cents.
Oh,
12 ringgit 50 cents.
12.50.
12.50?
Yes.
1250.
1250.
1 to 5?
1250. 12 ringgit.
Okay. You know, I understand 120 like that.
Korea.
What is this? What is this?
Rice, shadam, Nasi Kandar kadam.
Nasi
Okay,
Kandar?
I tanni minam.
Mina?
Pan.
Ah.
Bole. Sira pai.
What is this name?
What is this? Adam shadam Nasi Kandar.
Nasi Kandar.
Nasi Kandar.
Chicken and
Chicken, egg, bindi, gobish,
curry,
gobish.
cabbage, and then egg and rice.
Rice, bindi.
Oh, this is spicy.
This is money,
Not
chicken.
spicy. I don't like spicy.
Okay.
Okay, let's eat together. I don't know what is that, so I wanna try some food in here like that. Really crowd. I think this is egg. This is egg. And
What do you want drink? What do you want drink?
bring water. Thank you. I got the water because it's too thirsty. Let's go. This is my first bite, so I'm excited.
cabbage, and then like that. Wow, you know, it looks like spicy. I don't like spicy, but I don't know this is spicy like that. But you know, this is only 12. Do you know how much is this one?
I am Saddam.
I forgot. How much?
1250.
1250. This is 1250. So I think this is really affordable because this is meal is really enough like that. I don't know how can I finish this one. Also, they say this is cabbage. You know, it looks like yellow, so I couldn't expect that this is the one. Cabbage. And then chicken. That's fried chicken. Wow, chicken. Chicken is so red, so it looks like spicy. You know, here it's really crowded like that. Good. Really good. Wow. Nasi Kandar is really good. You know, but for me, a little bit spicy. I think here sauce is a little bit spicy, but maybe they give the spicy one. Why this is really spicy? Even if it's a little bit spicy, I love this one. They give me spicy one. Hello, little bit spicy, but I love it. Is it spicy? I say no spicy. Okay, let's try egg. Like that, like that. Wow, it's really little bit spicy, but it's yummy. I think cabbage is makes this more yummy. Like that, like that. Okay, let's eat this one. What is that? Bindi? Bindi? You know, it looks like pepper. But this is not pepper. Interesting. You know, actually it's really good. Hello, hello, hello. It's really yummy. I love it, I love it. You know, also chicken is really big. Wow, this is a fried chicken and cabbage, yellow cabbage, and the egg, and I don't know what is that. I forgot it. You know, I asked them, but I forgot. So anyway, fried chicken is really juicy and a little bit tender. Yeah, let's try. Outside is really crispy, and I think they give me the wing, right? This is wing. So also some people eat using the hand. I think Nasi Kandar is famous in Malaysia. Like that, like that. This is like really perfect bite, right? I love this one. Hello, hello, hi. Really good. Check give me the spicy one, right?
Saddam.
I want to sweet. More sweet.
Sweet.
Sweet. Sweet.
Yeah, sweet chicken.
I love sweet.
I love sweet.
You love sweet? Oh,
Sweet.
sweet.
Jumper.
Ah, this is sweet sauce. They give me the sweet sauce more. Let's try sweet sauce. Wow, this looks like spicy. Oh, sweet. Oh, sweet. Why this is sweet? This looks like really spicy. Oh, it's sweet. Okay. Like dip in the sweet sauce and like that. Like that. And sweet sauce like that. I love sweet sauce. I love it. Pass it up. Ta-da! Okay. I really good. I will come back here again because it's good. Hello. I love Nasi Kandar. This is Nasi Kandar, right? Can we meet friend? Friend. Hello. Bye. Now I will go home. Bye. I love here.
Love you too.
Oh, I love you. Bye.
Did you guys enjoy this video? I hope you did. See you soon in next video. Bye bye.